The aim of this experiment is to check whether PVC burns. To this effect I have prepared a little setup. So this is where there is going to be a small burn. I am first going to check whether paper burns. Then I'll look at just typical plastics, whether they burn and how they burn. And then I am going to burn these. And I assume that they are made of PVC with a little bit of some additives to make them more flexible. First of all, I am going to burn just ordinary paper. What we see is that the conditions are very steady and there is no wind, and the humidity humidity of the air allows for burning to take place. Okay, nothing unexpected. Second, I am going to burn this plastic. So what we see is that this plastic actually burns. If I may turn it around. So that's the plastic actually burns, and we can still see burning over there. So as long as there is any material left, it continues to burn. So just to speed up the experiment, I am going to keep it burning over there, but on this side I intend to have a fire of PVC and check whether PVC burns. To this effect I am going just to put this PVC cable onto on top of the paper. Okay, what we can see is that there is a lot of smoke. This is not something unexpected, as Drysdale tells us that there is a lot of smoke coming from PVC. What we also see is that cables actually did catch fire in certain places, if you look carefully. Lastly, what we see is that there was a big fire. Now there are only small residues. This is from the previous plastic, and there is still a little bit of paper left over there burning, but on the top we can see that the cables remain black and charred, but they don't continue burning. So this is the effect of PVC, and I will just keep the film going. What we see at the moment is that this puddle of plastic, which was left after the plastic bags, has drifted to the middle of the plate, and therefore it burns exactly in the middle. But if I move the cables slightly to the side, if I move the cables slightly to the side, we see that they are all charred. That's the paper over there, all charred, and still a little bit burning, but the cable itself is perfectly black and doesn't burn. Yeah, so this demonstrates that PVC, even when it's in flexible form, is fire retardant. And yeah, and the ordinary plastic, as we have in the middle, actually burns. Thank you.